I will assemble the full circuit of our BiPAP modified version meant to stop aerolization of COVID patients. Here we have our BiPAP machine. We're going to take an oxygen enhancement valve, take our BiPAP tube, and connect the male end of the oxygen enhancement valve to the BiPAP tube. This part is where the oxygen line would come from, meant from the oxygen tank to regulate the amount of oxygen coming to the patient. Now we're going to take a T connector, take this male end, connect it to our oxygen enhancer valve. On the other end, we're going to connect a PEEP valve. And then at the top, we're going to connect the female end of the viral filter. Now, take the non-vented mask and connect it to the viral filter. And so to go over it, I have my BiPAP tube, the oxygen enhancement valve, a T connector, a PEEP valve connected at this end of the T connector, a viral filter connected to the top, and our non-vented mask. And this is a fully assembled modified circuit meant to stop aerolization of COVID patients.